Welcome to the Introduction to Desk Director License Reporter. In this video, we'll talk about Licensing Reporter Portal and provide a quick tour of its tabs. The Licensing Report Portal is built on a Power App canvas and features two main tabs: Subscribed Units and User Licenses. In the Subscribed Units tab, you'll find the list of subscribed units. This table displays all Microsoft subscribed units within your organization, showing the number of consumed and prepaid units categorized by their status: enabled, suspended, warning, and locked out. Next, we have the list of service plans. When an SKU is selected, its corresponding service plans appear on the right panel of the screen. The service plans list shows the provisioning status, whether the plan applies to a user or company, and the total count of service plans included in the selected SKU. Additionally, the search bar functionality allows users to quickly find subscribed units by entering keywords or phrases. It filters the list of subscribed units, enabling users to access relevant information efficiently and enhancing overall navigation and user experience. Furthermore, the column sorting functionality allows users to organize data in the list of subscribed units in ascending or descending order based on specific columns. Subscribed unit name, no. Of consumed units, no. Of prepaid units per status. This feature enhances usability and helps users locate the information they need more efficiently. The leftmost panel of the report displays the subscribed unit summaries, which include statistics for total subscribed units, total service plans, number of suspended prepaid units, number of prepaid units with warnings, and number of locked-out prepaid units. The Total Service Plans icon displays all service plans available within an organization. Similar to the list of subscribed units, the search bar and column sorting functionalities are also available for the list of all service plans. Next is the Users Licenses tab. First, we have the list of users. This table displays all users within an organization who have been granted Microsoft licenses, showing their name, email, and job title. Next, we have the list of service plans. When a user is selected, the service plans assigned to that user are populated in the rightmost panel of the screen. The service plans list includes the subscribed unit, service plan name, provisioning status, and the entity to which the plan applies, user company. It also displays the total count of all service plans granted to the user. Additionally, the search bar functionality allows users to quickly find individuals by entering their name. It filters the list of users and enables users to access relevant information more efficiently, thereby enhancing overall navigation and user experience. Moreover, the column sorting feature allows users to organize data in the list of users by ascending or descending order based on specific columns: username, email, job title. This feature improves usability and helps users locate the information they need more effectively. Finally, the Users Licenses Summaries section in the leftmost panel of the report displays key statistics, including the total number of users, the number of plans successfully provisioned, the number of plans pending provisioning, the number of plans pending activation, and the number of plans pending input. And that wraps up the quick tour of Licensing Reporter Portal. In the next video, we'll learn how to extract licensing report.